Who is this? Mano ini.
Okay.
Who is this? Mano ini.
Mano ine. Mano ine. Okay. Who is this? Is Mano ine. But see, for them they pronounce it like E. That's why we are getting little confused. Mano E. Okay, because it is their alphabet. I for them is like, because I is in English, right? But for them I is E. E. Hello guys, Kumno Philong, Paralo, welcome back again, Khasi Meghalaya people, and we are back with another video which we did previously about English to Khasi guys. We are so curious to learn more about Khasi guys, and that is why we are back again with another new version. So Subhi will tell us, what do you think? Which language is difficult, Khasi or Nepali?
I think Nepali is easier because I've been speaking it since childhood. But if you want to learn, I think Khasi will be easy for you because in Khasi there are English alphabets and in our language there is Nepali alphabet. So you have to learn that, and after that only you can learn our language.
Okay. Thank you. So we are going to check these guys, and to make it more important, we'll do it like previous. If there is a word like say kumno pilong, how are you guys? We will explain it in Arabic because I am from South Sudan or Sudan. You can say, because in that country only our national language, like we speak, the first language is Arabic and second language is English. So today you will learn Arabic, and Subi will tell you also Nepali language. Stay tuned. Don't forget subscribe, guys. Put on the bell so that you will get our videos regularly. Let's go.
Hublay ya baro bapila poipet ya kanika video jungi ya kabangin le translation na ke English siya kakasi. What is this? Ka a kane. What is this?
Okay.
Ka a kane.
Kane. Okay. So the first one is, what is this? Kahe kane. You?
Ke kane.
Kahe.
Ke kane.
Kahe.
Ke kane.
Kahe kane. Okay. In Nepali, how do you say it?
Yo ke ho.
Yo.
Yo ke ho.
Yo ke ho. It's sounding like South Chinese or South Korean.
This Nepali
Yo.
language. Yo ke ho.
Yo ke ho. I also want to
Yo
learn Nepali.
Yo means this. Ke means what? Ho means what is it like that?
Okay. So in Arabic, what is this? Mahaza. It's like, what is this? So let's go to the next one.
Where is he? Siya ay udan. Siya ay udan.
Okay. So where is he? Shahe udon. Shahe udon.
Shahe udon.
Shahe udon.
Say shahe udon.
Udon. So in Arabic, we say, where is he? Where is he, guys? Actually, guys, I don't. You know, Arabic is classified. Like, there is, like, some people they speak broken. Like mine is not that broken, but I can't tell you, because if you go like Saudi Arabia, Qatar, those places, they like their Arabic is totally different. Like the way they pronounce it, the accent is different compared to people from Sudan or people from the African continent, guys. But I will tell you how we speak it. Like, it will be similar to them, but only the accent will be different. So where is he? When hua, when hua. Hua is like for a boy. Here is for she. Where is she? You can, if you want to say where is she, you will say when here. But for a boy, you'll say hua. Okay? So where is he? When hua. In Khasi, shehe udon. What about you?
In Nepali, u kata cha. U kata cha.
Okay, let's go to the next one.
How it is. Kumno kalong. Kumno kalong.
Okay, so how it is? Kumno kalong. This is very simple. Kumno kalong. How is it? Hukif. That is in Arabic. Hukif.
Kumno kalong.
In Nepali?
In Nepali, you kosto cha.
Speak slowly.
Kosto cha, you kosto cha.
Kosto?
You kosto lagyo, you kosto cha.
because there's okay, next one.
Who came? Mano bawan.
Mano
Mano
one. Let's
bawan.
continue for the
What
second
happened?
one. What
Jia
happened?
ayu.
Jaya ayu.
What happened?
Jaya ayu.
Jia ayu.
Okay, so we'll come to who came. Mano bawan. In Arabic, who came? Minja.
Ninja.
Minja. Who came? Mano bawan. So in Nepal,
Ko ayo.
ko ayo. So also they said what happened. Is it pronounced what happened in Nepali?
In Nepali or Khasi?
No, in Khasi first.
Gaiu. Gaiu.
Gaiu.
Gaiu. I think
It's
they
not. It's Jaiu.
Gaiu.
Gaiu or Jaiu. Okay. Gaiu, Jaiu.
What
Let's see.
happened?
Huh?
Jia ayu. What happened? Jia ayu.
Is Jaya.
Jaiu.
Jaya
I said
ayu.
it without listening, okay? That's why.
We listened before. Now we
No,
listen.
it was.
We listened to two of it. Who came and what happened, right?
That's why I
Yeah.
couldn't listen.
That's why you have to focus. It's now pronounced it.
Gaiu.
You're still saying
Jaiu.
Jaya ayu.
Jaiu.
Jaya ayu. Listen.
What happened? Jia ayu.
Jaya
What
ayu.
happened? Jia
Jaya
ayu.
ayu.
Jaiu.
Jaya ayu. What happened? Okay, let's go to there.
What is the matter? Ka
What is
a
the
ka
matter?
dao. Ka a ka dao.
Kadao.
What is
What is the matter?
Kae
Kadao.
kadao.
the matter? Ka a ka dao.
Takadao. Takadao is like, what is the meaning of takadao, guys? I heard this word before in Khasi. Kahe kadao.
Kadao.
What is the matter? What is the problem? It's like kahe kadao. So in Arabic, what is the matter? We'll say ma al mushkil. Ma al mushkila. What is the matter? In Nepali,
In Nepali ke kura ho.
ke kuraho. In Khasi,
Kae kadao.
kahe
Kae
kadao.
kadao.
So the last one, who is this? Pronounce
Who is
it
this?
without listening.
Mano ini. Mayo ini. Ine.
Mano.
Mano ine.
So me, I will say mano aine. Let's check it. Let's see who is right.
Who is this? Mano ini.
Okay.
Who is this? Mano ini.
Mano ine. Mano ine.
ine.
Okay. Who is this? Is
Mano
mano ine. But see, I, for them, they pronounce it like E. That's why we are getting little confused. Mano, E. Okay, because it is their
Yes.
alphabet.
Mm.
I for them is like, because I is in English, right? But for them, I is E.
E.
E. Like mano, E, ne. Ne. I think we have first to start learning the
Alphabet.
alphabet, guys. I think we are in, we just rushed this. I just remember one thing, guys. Next video, we'll learn the Khasi alphabet. First, we'll start the Khasi alphabet so that it will be easy for us to understand the difference instead of learning direct, so it will be a little complicated later, right? So next video, we'll start by learning the Khasi what? Khasi alphabet. Then we'll go to Khasi numbers, guys. So that is it. That is only for today, guys, because it's getting little complicated because we are getting to know much and more sentence. So we'll go back to from beginning,
This
level
is the
one.
advanced part.
This is the advanced part, but this is not good part we should suppose, or if we really serious, right? To learn Khasi, we should start from alphabet. So that is it. Just rate our video for this one of today. And that is it. Thank you so much, guys. So you have something to tell them?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Kuble Sibun.
Kuble Shigon, guys. Thank you so
Paralo.
much. Paralo. Love from Africa and love from Nepal. Till next time.